Hey, welcome back guys to Fox Yard. I'm Crafty Fox, and today we're going to be building the American Short School Bus. So this is also known as its nickname, the Short Bus, and it's basically used to transport kids to special education school. And here is what it looks like. I see this all the time in real life, so I decided to build this. Also, when I was growing up, there was a neighbor's kid who actually always rode this bus to school. Unfortunately, he died few years ago due to leukemia though. But yeah, it's pretty sad he died so young. But yeah, I also decided to build this because my original American School Bus tutorial video, it did really well. So I thought, why not just try the short school bus, because that's a lot in the city as well. And by the way, in my original tutorial version, I don't know, for some reason, I was using iron trapdoors for these bars, but I should have been using oak trapdoors because they're more yellow. And here I can give you a little tour of the short bus. It's pretty much like a van converted with like a box in the back. So here's like the entrance. There's like a vertical window over here, I guess, to see outside. And then we have like windows here. And here's the back emergency exits. And then the other side, we have the stop sign, a little vent down below. And on the roof, there's like another emergency exit hatch. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the build. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you hit that like button, and let's get started. So first off, let's grab polished blackstone brick block, stairs, polished blackstone slab, polished blackstone brick slab, yellow concrete, black glass pane, black glass block, a lever, and a wither skeleton skull. Alright, so first off, we're going to place down a polished blackstone slab right there, 2 blocks long. Skip a block, add another one. And then we'll add in a polished blackstone brick stairs, upside down on either side. And then we're going to add in a polished blackstone brick slab, 2 blocks wide and 9 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. Make it 2 blocks wide, and in the back 4 blocks wide. And I made like a little pit down there. And then we're going to skip a block and add in a polished blackstone brick block for the double wheels in the back. And then we'll add in oak slab, 3 blocks long here, and then polished blackstone slab, and then oak slab. Fill the back in, oak slab, other side, oak slabs in between, all the way. And then the front we'll add in a smooth stone slab. Then we'll add in 2 blocks wide of polished blackstone brick block. And then yellow concrete surrounding it. Alright, then we'll add in stone buttons to the sides of all the wheels. Just like that. And then in the back here, we'll add in 2 blocks tall yellow concrete on the corners. And then upside down oak stairs facing each other in the middle. And then oak trapdoors, 2 blocks like that. Open that up. And the corners will add in a polished blackstone brick stairs, yellow concrete in the middle of this. And then we'll add in a redstone torch in the bottom corners, as well as acacia buttons to the sides. Then we'll add in a black concrete, 2 blocks wide right here. And then we'll go line out where we have this polished blackstone slab at 2 blocks tall, black glass block like that. A black concrete down here. In oak stairs here, polished blackstone brick stairs, 3 blocks, actually 4 blocks wide like that, and another 2 in the corners, and then yellow concrete right there in the middle, white carpets on top, and then oak signs, 2 blocks wide, and then the other side, we'll do the same thing, oak signs, 2 blocks wide, white carpet, 2 blocks wide right there, and then we'll add in black concrete, 2 blocks wide here all the way across the middle, and also another one right behind this doorway. Then we'll add in a row of yellow concrete going all the way across the bottom row, both sides. And over here underneath this stairs, we'll add in oak stairs upside down. Alright, then we'll add in on the roof, we'll add in smooth quartz block, 2 blocks wide all the way across, and then oak stairs all the way across. Just like this. Alright, then we're going to add in a lever to the edges in the front, and then a wither skeleton skull facing towards the back, right on top of that lever. All right. Next up, we're gonna add in oak bun here, stone buns in the corners, and then item frames all around. And then we'll add in a T shape of yellow carpets like that. And sorry if my video is going fast. I feel like I'm going fast, but whatever. Then we'll add in 3 blocks wide black stone buns like that. And the other side, we're pretty much gonna add it, in the same place. And then we'll add in an oak trapdoors, and we want it facing towards the back. Open them all up, just like that. Other side, same thing. I also gotta add in the stop sign over there, so let's go to that. We'll take out acacia sign and brick slab, punch in a hole here, add yellow concrete inside, and then brick slab, and then acacia sign. And it's up to you if you want to add the text or not. You can write &F S space T space O space P for stop, and then we have a stop sign. Then we'll add in black stone bun right above this first wheel, both sides, like that. And then we'll go down here, add in 2 blocks wide of polished deep slate slab like that. Alright, next up, let's add in some banners. So we'll make a door banner. So that's going to be a gray banner inside the loom, black dye. And we want to make it a border, put it back inside, and then black line across the middle. Alright, and then the other banner, we'll take out a black banner with yellow dye. I'm going to make a border around it, put it back inside, and then yellow dye across the bottom half of it. So we'll place the door banner right here, inside the door, and our window banners right in the back corners, just like that. Alright, so next up, let's go right over here, and we're going to add in the emergency exit. It's just like a snow layer right there in the middle. Lines up with that middle black stone buns. Alright, and now for our last step, we'll add in item frames in the corners right here. And add in an orange bed. I'm going to rotate so the orange is on the outside. And we can do the same thing right here in the back. And I am just doing this because you probably cannot put a button on the stairs normally without World Edit. Also, we gotta add in black concrete behind these stairs. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the build. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the short bus. Have you ridden this bus before? And if you are actually building this. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure you hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.